In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and customize a form in MailerLite. From logging in for the very first time, all the way through designing it so it looks great and actually converts visitors into subscribers. MailerLite is one of the most beginner-friendly email marketing platforms available, and building a form is one of the most powerful things you can do with it, because your form is the front door to your entire email list. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. And let's get started. The first thing you'll do is log into your MailerLite dashboard. Head to mailerlite.com, click sign in and enter your credentials. Once you're inside, take a moment to orient yourself. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of your subscriber count, recent campaign performance and open rates all in one place. But today you're heading straight to the left-hand menu where you'll find the Forms tab. Go ahead and click on that. The Forms section is where you build the opt-in forms that collect email addresses from your website visitors, landing page readers, or anyone you send traffic to. When you open the tab, you'll notice two options along the top: embedded forms and pop-ups. These serve different purposes, so it's worth understanding the distinction. An embedded form sits inside your page content, at the bottom of a blog post, inside a sidebar, or between sections of a landing page. A pop-up appears as an overlay on top of the page, typically triggered after someone has been reading for a few seconds or scrolls past a certain point. Pop-ups tend to generate higher conversion rates, but embedded forms feel less intrusive to visitors. Choose whichever fits your goal. The creation process is identical either way. Click the relevant tab, then click Create Form. MailerLite will immediately ask you to name your form. This name is entirely for your own internal reference. Your visitors will never see it, so make it specific and descriptive. If you're building a form for a lead magnet on a cooking blog, call it something like Free Recipe Book Opt-in rather than Form 1. Clear naming becomes invaluable once you have a dozen forms running across different campaigns. Type in your name, then click Save and Continue. The next prompt asks you to choose which subscriber group these new leads will be added to. Don't rush past this, it matters. A subscriber group is how MailerLite organizes your contacts into segments so you can send targeted, relevant emails rather than blasting your entire list with every message. If you're just starting out and only have one group, select it. If you already have several, pick the one that aligns with this specific form's purpose. Getting this right from the beginning means your welcome sequence and future campaigns will reach exactly the right people. Make your selection, confirm, and you'll land inside the form editor. This is where it gets genuinely enjoyable. MailerLite gives you two starting points: a pre-built template or a blank canvas. If you're new to form design, a template is a smart choice. The layout is already visually balanced, the spacing is clean, and the structure follows proven conversion principles. You can customize everything freely, so you're not locked into anything. If you prefer full creative control, start from scratch and build it up element by element. Either way, you're working inside MailerLite's drag and drop editor, which is one of the most intuitive in the industry. To edit any elements, the heading, the body text, the button, simply click on it. A panel will appear on the right side with every setting for that element. Start with your heading. This is the single most read piece of copy on your entire form, so make it specific and value focused. Rather than subscribe to my newsletter, try something like get my free 5-day meal plan, or join 4,000 readers who never miss a tip. Specificity and a clear promise always outperform generic language. Then move to your body copy. Keep it to 2 or 3 lines and focus entirely on what the subscriber receives, not what they're giving you. Finally, click your button and update the text to something action-oriented. Replacing submit with send me the guide or yes, I want in is a small change that consistently improves how many people actually complete the form. Now look at your form fields. By default, most templates include an email address field and often a first name field. You can click any existing field to edit its label, toggle it between required and optional, or change its position. If your business genuinely needs additional information, a company name for a B2B offer, or a birthday if you plan to send birthday discounts, click Add New Field and choose from the available custom field types. That said, be strategic. Every additional field you ask for reduces the number of people who complete the form. Unless a piece of data is truly necessary for your workflow, leave it out and keep the experience as frictionless as possible. Last, scroll through the editor until you reach the success page block. This is what your brand new subscriber sees the moment they hit your button, and it's an opportunity too many creators overlook. Customize the message to confirm exactly what happens next. Something like, "You're all set. Check your inbox for your free guide." Or redirect visitors to a dedicated thank you page on your own website, where you can make a warmer first impression, share a next step, or introduce a relevant offer. Both options are built right into that block, and either one is far better than leaving the default text untouched. And there you have it. You've just built and fully customized a MailerLite form, ready to go live and start growing your email list. You've connected it to the right subscriber group, written copy that earns clicks, added only the fields you actually need, and created a welcoming experience the moment someone subscribes. Save this video so you can revisit these steps anytime you're building a new form, and drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll see you in the next one.